Rovar X3, the next-gen outdoor AI companion. Rovar X3 is an advanced outdoor robot designed to support and accompany users in natural environments. Developed by Cent and showcased at CES 2026, it stands about 40 to 45 centimeters tall and weighs around 15 kilograms, making it compact yet capable. It uses a dual-wheel chassis with a low center of gravity, allowing it to move smoothly across grass, gravel, small steps, and uneven outdoor terrain while maintaining strong stability. The robot is equipped with smart sensors, including cameras and perception systems, enabling intelligent tracking through face recognition, appearance re-identification, and gait analysis. This helps it stay accurately aligned with its user at all times. Unlike indoor robots, Rovar X3 is built for real outdoor interaction. It can carry small items, record panoramic photos and videos, and communicate through expressive front display animations. Powered by Black Sesame Technologies, it processes data in real time with minimal cloud dependence, making it a practical and engaging outdoor AI companion. Gita Cargo Follower. Have you ever had to cut a shopping trip short because your hands were full? The Gita Cargo Robot by Piaggio is built to solve that problem by carrying your stuff wherever you go. This small, smart robot follows you automatically and can hold up to 40 pounds, making it perfect for groceries, books, or daily essentials. Standing around 2 feet tall, Gita moves at speeds of up to 22 miles per hour, so it can easily keep up whether you're walking or jogging. It tracks you using a special wearable system and can even operate on its own, meaning you can send it on simple errands. Gita isn't just for personal use. It could help nurses carry medical supplies, assist delivery workers, or support people in busy urban areas. Larger versions can carry even heavier loads. Although it's still under testing, Gita clearly shows how robots could soon make everyday life easier and more efficient. Matrix 3. Matrix 3 is the newest humanoid robot from Matrix Robotics, created to bring real physical intelligence into everyday environments. Unlike traditional robots, it is built with a biomimetic body, tactile bionic skin, and highly sensitive sensors, allowing it to gently feel, understand, and safely interact with delicate objects. Its hands offer 27 degrees of freedom, and its natural humanoid walking style enables smooth movement, precise tool use, and easy handling of flexible materials. Powering Matrix 3 is a next-generation cognitive core that supports zero-shot generalization, meaning it can adapt to new tasks instantly without retraining. This makes it an incredibly flexible solution for manufacturing, logistics, service industries, and even home use. With pilot deployments planned for 2026, Matrix 3 is set to move humanoid robots beyond simple demonstrations and into real-world work. It represents a major step toward robots that can think, sense, and operate naturally within human spaces. iRobot Mira 530. iRobot Mira 530 is part of the well-known iRobot lineup, a brand famous for creating smart vacuum cleaners that work without human effort. These devices can map out spaces and clean efficiently on their own, making everyday cleaning much easier. With the Mira 530, iRobot steps into a new category, pool cleaning. This device is designed to clean the bottom of your swimming pool, saving you from the hassle of doing it manually or paying for regular cleaning services. Simply place the robot in the pool, and it will automatically move across the floor, collecting dirt, debris, and leaves. It's a convenient solution for pool owners who want to keep their pools clean with minimal effort. However, these machines can be a bit expensive and are not always easy to find. On average, you can expect the price to be around $600. Nurica SpectarX. The Nurica SpectarX is a next-generation electric bike designed for thrill seekers and serious adventurers. Built with a carbon fiber monocoque frame, it's incredibly lightweight yet tough enough to handle demanding rides. At its core is a powerful 6,000-watt motor that pushes the bike to thrilling speeds of up to 50 miles per hour. A 48-volt 17.5Ah Samsung battery delivers impressive range, allowing you to ride up to 75 miles on a single charge. Made for both city riding and off-road action, the SpectarX features full suspension with premium RockShox components, ensuring a smooth and controlled ride on any terrain. It's available in 2 versions, Plus for balanced all-round performance and Fat for extreme surfaces like snow and sand. For safety and control, it includes hydraulic disc brakes, an N-speed SRAM gear system, integrated front and rear lights, and a smart gyro-activated tail light. With 5 pedal assist levels, walk mode, and a responsive thumb throttle, the Narika SpectarX delivers power, range, and style in one unstoppable electric bike. Kawasaki Corleo. The Kawasaki Corleo is a futuristic machine that combines the raw thrill of horseback riding with cutting-edge robotics and clean energy technology. Drawing on Kawasaki's long history in motorcycles and robotics, the Corleo ditches traditional wheels for 4 independent, rubber-hooved legs designed to move gracefully across grasslands, rocky paths, and uneven terrain. Its rear legs are equipped with swing arm suspension, giving riders smooth handling even when climbing steps or tackling steep slopes, allowing you to focus on the ride instead of the obstacles. At its core is a 150cc hydrogen engine that generates electricity to power each limb, producing nothing but water vapor as emissions. Steering feels natural and intuitive. Riders use stirrups and handlebars, with the system responding to subtle weight shifts. A digital display keeps track of hydrogen levels, balance, and routes, while night rides are enhanced with projected path markers. Still a concept, the Corleo showcases an exciting vision of eco-friendly, off-road mobility for the future. Holiday Friday. Holiday Robotics Friday is a next-generation wheeled humanoid robot built for industrial and logistics work. Standing 176 centimeters tall and equipped with 63 degrees of freedom, it is designed to move and operate with impressive flexibility. Its advanced robotic hands include 20 tactile sensors that can detect extremely light pressure, allowing the robot to handle delicate objects with precision and care. Unlike traditional walking humanoids, Friday uses a wheeled drive system that helps it travel smoothly and efficiently at speeds up to 1.9 meters per second while maintaining excellent balance and lower energy consumption. Its AI-powered vision and language system enables it to perform pre-programmed tasks such as grasping, sorting, and inserting objects safely and accurately in busy work environments. With hot-swappable batteries, Friday can run continuously around the clock. Holiday Robotics also plans future models named Saturday and Sunday, expanding its vision for service and home assistant robotics. Mentibot. The Mentibot represents the next generation of humanoid robots, comparable to well-known names like Sophia and Asimo. Designed for both home and industrial use, it combines advanced AI with powerful mechanical precision. Equipped with next-level simulation-based learning, neural network navigation, and large language model integration, Mentibot can understand and carry out complex commands naturally. It's capable of walking, running, and performing a wide range of tasks with impressive accuracy. The robot continuously trains through simulations to enhance its performance and adaptability over time. Set to debut in 2025, Mentibot's headless design may divide opinions, but it signals a bold step forward in robotics. With its deep environmental awareness and state-of-the-art visual processing, it's paving the way for smarter, more intuitive machines of the future. Jaguar I-Pod. The Jaguar I-Pod is a groundbreaking mini-electric vehicle designed to transform how people and cars interact. Created by Jaguar Land Rover under the UK Autodrive project, it's not just about getting from one place to another, it's about communication and trust between humans and machines. Its most striking feature is the eye-like design on the front, which can mimic eye contact with pedestrians. This helps people feel safer, knowing the vehicle has seen them, especially in crowded city streets. Beyond its friendly design, The iPod is already being used in real-world situations like last-mile deliveries and utility services. Companies such as Domino's and DHL are testing it to make city deliveries cleaner, smarter, and more human-friendly, proving the future of urban mobility is intelligent and interactive. Giraffe Nap 1. The Giraffe Nap 1 by Kyocera Plywood Corporation is a futuristic nap pod designed to let you rest comfortably while standing upright. It features soft padding that supports your head, hips, shins, and feet, allowing you to take short, refreshing naps without losing proper posture. Inside the pod, users can adjust lighting, air circulation, and soundproofing to create the perfect peaceful environment. The design comes in two versions, Forest and Spacia. The Forest model feels warm and natural, like a cozy wooden sauna, while the Spacia version offers a sleek, space-age atmosphere. Both models include adjustable armrests and a removable, washable seat for extra comfort and hygiene. Ideal for offices, cafes, and even airports, the Giraffe Nap 1 aims to make quick naps more relaxing and practical than ever. Pre-orders for this innovative sleep pod began on January 23, 2024, through the company's official website.